how much should you actually spend on an indoor hydroponics kit? Because people often grab the cheapest option, but that can lead to disappointment. It's a bit of a puzzle, but today I'm breaking down the top 5 kits that actually work.
Product number 1, Ahopegarden Hydroponics System. Let's kick things off with the Ahopegarden Indoor Garden Hydroponics Growing System. Priced at $56.99, what grabbed my attention was its 10-pod capacity and overhead LED grow light. If you want to grow delicious herbs and veggies indoors, this is worth a serious look. This hydroponics kit boasts a smart reservoir with a circulation system to keep water fresh, which means your plants are growing in the best conditions possible. The fact that it has 2 growing modes, one for vegetables and another for fruits, makes it super versatile. Plus, with its height-adjustable light post, it accommodates your plants as they grow taller, which is a huge plus for someone starting their indoor garden. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Those features help you achieve faster, healthier growth without the guesswork. Now, some users noted that the assembly instructions were a bit vague. Here's the thing, if you're a hands-on person, it won't be a deal breaker. You'll appreciate the challenge of figuring it out. This kit is perfect for anyone wanting to kickstart their indoor garden, especially if you have limited space. But if you're looking for a fancy touchscreen and a lot of bells and whistles, this might not be for you. At this price, it offers great value for anyone eager to grow their own herbs at home. Now, if the assembly concerns you, the next option on my list is a breeze to set up and use. Product number 2, 52 pieces hydroponics pods kit, priced at just $14.99. This caught my eye because it's compatible with other popular systems, like AeroGarden, making it a great addition to your hydroponic setup. If you're looking for affordable hydroponic supplies, this is worth a serious look. This kit comes with 24 grow sponges and 4 bottles of nutrients, helping you get started with minimal effort. The sponges are specifically designed for faster germination, boasting a 95% success rate. This is crucial because if you want to see results quickly, these sponges will support vigorous root development. Plus, the biodegradable materials ensure you're being eco-friendly while growing your herbs. However, a few users mentioned that the nutrient bottles could be confusing to use, but honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. This kit is perfect for beginners wanting to try their hand at hydroponics without a huge investment. But if you're already experienced and looking for something more advanced, you might want to skip this one. The value for money here is undeniable, making it a solid starter kit for any aspiring herb gardener. Product number 3, URUQ Hydroponics Growing System. Coming in at $49.34 is the URUQ Hydroponics Growing System. I was impressed by its 5 times faster growth claim and compact design, perfect for those tight spaces. If you want an effective indoor herb garden solution, this is worth a serious look. This system features a 24-watt LED light that mimics sunlight, promoting photosynthesis even in low light conditions. The quiet circulation pump also ensures that your plants receive oxygen without disturbing your peace. Additionally, the adjustable light pole means you can cater to your plants as they grow, which is super convenient. But here's the kicker. Some users found the water tank a bit small for larger plants. Here's the thing though, if you're focused on growing herbs or small vegetables, it should work just fine. This hydroponic system is ideal for anyone looking to grow herbs or small veggies year-round, regardless of your gardening experience. But if you're aiming for larger crops, you might want to consider other options. For its price and features, it's a solid choice for indoor gardening enthusiasts. Product number 4, Ahopegarden 10 Pods Hydroponics Kit. Next on the list is another one from Ahopegarden, the 10 Pods Indoor Garden Kit, available for $49.98. What stood out to me was its smart monitoring screen and low water alarm feature. If you're serious about growing your herbs efficiently, this is worth a serious look. The LCD screen displays real-time temperature and humidity, which is essential for keeping your plants healthy. The quick-release design allows for easy cleaning, and with a 3-liter water tank, you're set for healthier growth. The adjustable height means it can accommodate plants of various sizes, promoting quicker growth, up to 300% faster than traditional soil options. However, I did see some complaints about the lack of seeds included in the kit, but
I'll be real with you. This kit is perfect if you already have your favorite herbs in mind to grow. This is perfect for anyone looking to have a user-friendly indoor garden setup, especially if you value smart features. But if you're not tech-savvy, you may find it a bit overwhelming. It's a great value for anyone eager to bring fresh herbs into their cooking.
Product number 5, Ahopegarden 12 Pods Hydroponics Kit, priced at $59.99. I was really impressed by the sleek design and LCD touchscreen. If you want a modern way to grow herbs at home, this is worth a serious look. This system allows you to grow up to 12 herbs or leafy greens simultaneously, with dual light modes to suit different plants. The adjustable height ensures you won't have issues with taller plants, and the built-in water management system keeps everything running smoothly. This is a fantastic feature if you're looking to get maximum yield in minimal space. However, some users mentioned the app connectivity was a bit finicky. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily focused on growing herbs, the manual controls work just fine. This kit is perfect for anyone who enjoys a clean, modern aesthetic while gardening. But if you prefer a more hands-on, traditional approach to gardening, you might find this setup a bit too techy. It's definitely worth the investment for anyone wanting to grow fresh herbs at home.
So there you have it, the top 5 indoor hydroponics kits for growing herbs at home. From the affordable Ahopegarden system to the modern design of the 12-pod kit, there's something for everyone. Each one offers unique features that cater to different needs, so pick the one that resonates with your gardening goals.